In this design, we have prongs here that have a certain shape looking from the top and looking from the side. The aim is to cut out some material in the two prongs to achieve a result like this. Because of the shapes involved, it will be very difficult to use a simple extrude. I'm going to go through two methods here. I will be demonstrating it on this prong. I think the easiest and cleanest method by far would have to be the shell command. Since we are only hollowing out the prongs, we would have to split them out before shelling. I have created a sketch line here. Go to Modify, Split Body. Select the body to split. For splitting tool, click on the select box and select the sketch line. Go to Modify, Shell. Select these two faces. Adjust the thickness. Go to Modify, Combine. Select all bodies to combine them back into one. So shelling allows us to create a good result with consistent wall thickness throughout, without the need for any complicated sketches. The next method is a little rough around the edges and involves a lot more steps, but I think that it will be interesting to go through it for the sake of discussion. To start off, I want to draw a line that represents the path of this prong. I have created a sketch from the top. This is simply an arc that follows the path of the prong looking from the top. From the side, I have created another sketch. This arc follows the path of the prong as seen from the side. To create the final path, we need to project these curves onto one another. To do that, we can start a sketch on any plane. Go to Create, Project Include, Intersection Curve. Select one of the arcs as the first curve. Select the other arc as the second curve. This results in a curve that follows the path of the prong in 3D. I want to use this curve to perform a sweep. The starting point of the path coincides with this face. Let's begin a sketch on this face. I'm going to draw a vertical line at the side. Select the midpoint constraint. Select the line and the starting point of the path. This will snap the midpoint of the line to the starting point. Activate the Surface tab. Go to Create, Sweep. Select the straight line as a profile. For path, click on the select box and select the path. Set orientation to perpendicular. Go to Create, Thicken. Select the surface body. Set direction to symmetric. Set operation to cut. Adjust the thickness. The accuracy of this method really depends on how accurately we can draw the path of the prongs. So do give this a try and let me know your thoughts.